Hi guys, what's up? Matt your videos here. My god, I've been doing this homework for ages. I'm nearly done now. So basically just been doing some English homework. Yeah.
Matthew, I'm away in the hairdressers, okay? Don't forget me omelette for when I get back. Have it ready, please. Bye.
Bye. Right, getting sick of this homework now. So you know what? Get that away. Now let's get on making my Nana's omelette. Lego! Hi, it's Chef Matthew here. So let's get started making this omelette. Let's go. So first of all, she likes to be healthy, so I've got some fried light. Yeah, gotta stay healthy, guys. And then we have pepper. She likes a bit of pepper. She also likes a bit of salt. She is a vinegar lover. You know how you say strawberries and cream? She says vinegar and strawberries. Also, we obviously have the eggs. And then we have, my Nana likes a little bit of spice, so let's add a tiny little pinch of chili. So let's get started. So first we've got fry light. Get that sizzling away. Need a lot of that fry light there. Yeah. Now, just gonna make a light little coating of vinegar before we put the eggs in. Just a light little coat. Just to add maybe that might be sufficient. There we go. Oh god, took most of it. Right. So let's give that a little stir around. Let's give that a little stir around there. Right. Now for the eggs. So we've got the egg box. See, we've got 1 egg, 2 egg, and 3 eggs. So yeah, just put that to the side and get my spatula. Got my handyman spatula. So here we go. This is the first egg going into the pan. Oh god. Oh no. So let's just try without the spatula now. So let's get in. Oh. Let's just. There we go. First egg. Now, second egg. Oh, slippery. Ready? Ready for this one, guys? Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Let's get that egg back. Second attempt. Right. This is a hard egg. Wait. Give it a little crack so it's a bit easier, you know. Oh. Yeah. That's 2 eggs, guys. I'm in a right state. Third egg. Third egg. Ready, guys? Don't want that to happen again. So, a little bit of that. Ready for this one? Get that in there. Oh, nice and gooey. Hey, that's why I like it. So now, we've got 2. Right, so now, actually, I didn't think that was enough vinegar, so a little bit more vinegar. That's enough. There we go. Now, we need some salt. Some vinegar. some pepper. Now, I know my Nana only likes just a little tiny bit of chilli, so I'm just going to put a little tiny... Whoa! Oh! Guys, I did not mean to do that. So I'm just going to give it a little stir. A little stir here. That's not a fork. Oh. Here we go. Give it a little... After I've stirred it a bit, guys, going to give you a little look at the omelette. So far we have this dirty mess. So let's keep cooking. Oh, I think my Nana's just got back. Oh God.
Matthew, I'm back!
Oh, hi. How was your hair?
Oh, lovely. Come and have a look.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I love the extensions.
Thank you.
That's gorgeous. Woo. Right, would you like to try some of your omelette?
Yes, please.
I've been spending ages. I hope you enjoy it.
I will. It'll be lovely.
Here you go. Do you like the look of your omelette?
Ooh, there looks a few eggshells in there, Matthew.
Oh, no, it's just a bit of burnt egg. That's all. I put it in the kitchen so you can have some.
Thank you. God, Matthew, it's a bit hot, this. How much chili did you put in it?
Just one little pinch.
I got a little water, please, man.
Ambulance! The end. Everybody lived happily ever after. Or did they?